Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
To rant. He began to rant audibly, letting out all the frustration he had kept inside for weeks. To rant. He began to rant audibly, letting out all the frustration he had kept inside for weeks. Audibly. Speaking audibly, he noticed that the only things left in his pantry were crumbs. Audibly. Speaking audibly, he noticed that the only things left in his pantry were crumbs. Crumbs. Living on crumbs, he realized he had to scrape by on whatever little resources he could find. Crumbs. Living on crumbs, he realized he had to scrape by on whatever little resources he could find. To scrape by on. To scrape by on such meager means without any clout at work made every day exhausting. To scrape by on. To scrape by on such meager means without any clout at work made every day exhausting. Clout. Without clout, he knew he had to revise his strategy if he wanted to improve his situation. Clout. Without clout, he knew he had to revise his strategy if he wanted to improve his situation. To revise. To revise his approach, he tried to divine what steps would lead him to better opportunities. To revise. To revise his approach, he tried to divine what steps would lead him to better opportunities. To divine. To divine the right path, he accepted that he was bound to take some risks along the way. To divine. To divine the right path, he accepted that he was bound to take some risks along the way. Bound to. Bound to grow from experience, he decided to keep a low profile, learning from others' successes. Bound to. Bound to grow from experience, he decided to keep a low profile, learning from others' successes. To keep a low profile. Even while choosing to keep a low profile, he showed up dolled up, ready to impress. To keep a low profile. Even while choosing to keep a low profile, he showed up dolled up, ready to impress. Dolled up. She likes to doll up whenever she faces an important challenge. dolled up. She likes to doll up whenever she faces an important challenge.